Another critically ill COVID patient from Odisha is struggling for life. 28-year-old Abhishek Mohapatra, who needs immediate ECMO treatment, is all set to be taken to a Kolkata hospital from Bhubaneswar today. Abhishek could not be airlifted due to a financial crisis faced by his family. He will be taken to Kolkata in a special ambulance with ECMO support. Meanwhile, his family has appealed to the public to fund the treatment expenses. Sources said that Abhishek's treatment would cost around Rs 1 crore, and so far around Rs 7 to 8 lakh has been raised.
Thank you भाई भौणी माने आपण माने मते बहुत मात्रा रे सहायता करिसंती तथापि मो पाखे सेतिके अमाउंट अवेलेबल हे पारुनी जोति पई मो हस्बैंड को मो एयर एम्बुलेंस रे नै पारिबिनी बाय रोड से काली ई कोलकाता जिबे दयाकर भाई भौणी माने अधिक मात्रा शेयर करंतु और टिके मते हेल्प करंतु जेमिति कि मो स्वामी को मो अधिक भल से ट्रीटमेंट करि पारिबी जेतु मोटे मिडिल क्लास फैमिली रो बिलोंग करूची मते जेतिके संभव मु सेतिके अरेंज करछि एबे आपण माने मते सहायता करंतु.
Abhishek got married last month on the 5th of May. However, a few days after his marriage, he was tested positive for Covid-19. He was admitted to a private hospital in Bhubaneswar after his condition deteriorated and has since been in ICU and 100% oxygen support. Bureau Report, OTV News.